Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zubair and you are watching Techy. I found 4 AI Tools website still working that you can use completely free. AI Tools website 1, hotpot.ai. Millions of people creating AI art, photos, images with the help of artificial intelligence. There are several tools, but this tool will help you very easily to create like that art effect. To use this tool, click on AI image from the drop down menu. Click on AI art generator. You can see the empty box. You have to type the instruction what kinds of art you want to create. If you want premium, then you can go with the other options below, otherwise keep it default. And here you will find so many styles. If you click, I suggest you to keep it custom so that you can create different new art. So I'm writing it now. Click to create and let's see what happened. Oh, that's nice. You can see we just created an AI art with the complete help of AI. To customize the art, just click on it. You can see here, you can use these options to customize the art. You can enhance, enlarge, or even can edit the background also. And to download the image, just click on it. It's downloaded. Click to open. And you got just brand new AI art. Let's make another. All the links in the description. Type the instruction, click on it. Oh, nice. AI Tools website 2, bigjpg.com. With this AI tool, you can enlarge your low resolution image to higher resolution. You can see the AI image enlarger, and we are going to enlarge this image. If I zoom in, you can see the resolution in details is so low. So let's see what happened after we enlarge the image. I'm going to click on select images. So the image you want to enlarge, click to open, then click to start, and here you can adjust the settings you want. This is a photo, not artwork, and for upscaling you can choose up to 4x, cause for others you need to upgrade. And for resolution you can keep it high, not highest, cause it can make it more blurry and it will not look so good. Now click to OK and wait a couple of seconds and it's completed. Now you click to download. It's downloaded. Now click to open and you are here. If I zoom in, you can see the difference between before and after image. AI Tools website 3, cleanup.pictures. With this tool, you can remove any unwanted object, people, or anything from your pictures in seconds. You can see the example tutorial here on how it works. So you can click here or drag an image file, select the image, click to open. Now you can see two options, continue with SD or try Pro for 3 days. We're going to continue with SD, which is completely free. You can see the eraser option to remove object you want. You can adjust the brush size as you want and zoom icon to enlarge the image. Now we are going to remove the child from this picture. To do that, select the brush icon and adjust the slider as you want. You can also use the mouse wheel. Now position the mouse pointer, press and hold the left button of the mouse. Select the child with the shadow. After select the whole object, leave the mouse and move the mouse pointer out of the picture. Wait a couple of seconds and you can see the magic. Totally gone. It's cool. Let's make another. You can see the difference between before and after by clicking the icon here and click here to download the image. AI Tools website 4, profile pic maker. Just like other website, click to upload photo, select the beautiful one, and after that it will generate your picture. And here you can see some tools that you can use to adjust. You can see some beautiful background already created. You can select the one you like most, and with this tool you can adjust it as you want. You can do rotate rescale, enlarge, and many more. Let's try with different image. You can see the background adjust automatically with the image. You can also add sunglasses and make the background custom with the colors, add shadows, and you will find also the cover photos here matching with the picture. And to download, just click to this down arrow and it's ready to upload to your profile. Thank you for watching. Of course, subscribe the channel and stay with the Techy Matter. Be safe.